Which Indian state became the first fully literate under the Ullas scheme? A. Kerala. B. Tripura. C. Mizoram. D. Sikkim. Answer: C. Mizoram. What is the minimum legal practice required to apply for the civil judge post as per SC ruling? A. 1 year. B. 2 years. C. 3 years. D. 5 years. Answer: C. 3 years. What is the purpose of the E0 FIR system launched by MHA? A. Tracking physical theft. B. Fast FIR registration in cyber frauds. C. Registering property disputes. D. Processing online RTI requests. Answer: B. Fast FIR registration in cyber frauds. How many Amrit Bharat stations were inaugurated by PM Modi recently? A. 50. B. 86. C. 103. D. 130. Answer: C. 103. What is the new name of the revamped National Manuscripts Mission? A. Bharat Gyan. B. Gyan Bharatam. C. Manusmriti Project. D. Bharatiya Lekhan Yojana. Answer: B. Gyan Bharatam. What traditional technique was used in the newly inducted stitched ship? A. Welding. B. Riveting. C. Hand stitching. D. Soldering. Answer: C. Hand stitching. Where was the Golden Dragon 2025 joint military drill held? A. Vietnam. B. Cambodia. C. Philippines. D. Laos. Answer: B. Cambodia. Who launched the Financial Fraud Risk Indicator, Friday? A. RBI. B. Ministry of Finance. C. Ministry of Home Affairs. D. Department of Telecommunications. Answer: D. Department of Telecommunications. Which country was absent during the vote for the Global Pandemic Treaty? A. Russia. B. USA. C. France. D. India. Answer: B. USA. Which African country recently joined the New Development Bank? A. Morocco. B. Kenya. C. Algeria. D. Egypt. Answer: C. Algeria. What tax was proposed by the US on international remittances? A. 2%. B. 3%. C. 4%. D. 5%. Answer: D. 5%. How many olive Ridley turtles were protected under Operation Olivia in 2025? A. 2 lakh. B. 5 lakh. C. 6.98 lakh. D. 8 lakh. Answer: C. 6.98 lakh. Gujarat reported what % increase in lion population since 2020? A. 15%. B. 32%. C. 25%. D. 40%. Answer: B. 32%. Where was the Endangered Species Fund in Tamil Nadu transferred to? A. TN Forest Department. B. State Treasury. C. Advanced Institute of Wildlife Conservation. D. Tamil Nadu Biodiversity Board. Answer: C. Advanced Institute of Wildlife Conservation. India was declared free from which disease by WHO? A. Polio. B. Leprosy. C. Trachoma. D. Dengue. Answer: C. Trachoma. What initiative promotes tobacco-free campuses? A. Fit India Movement. B. Swasth Shiksha Abhiyan. C. 2FEI. D. Health First. Answer: C. 2FEI. Which AI program aims to empower women in tech fields? A. AI Shakti. B. Yashoda AI. C. Cyber Raksha. D. Streebot. Answer B. Yashoda AI. What is the surplus amount transferred by RBI to the government in FY25? A. 1.5 lakh rupees crore. B. 2.68 lakh rupees crore. C. 3.2 lakh rupees crore. D. 2 lakh rupees crore. Answer B. 2.68 lakh rupees crore. Which cooperative bank's license was cancelled by RBI? A. HCBL. B. UCO. C. APMC. D. Navi Bank. Answer A. HCBL. What is the name of the new chatbot launched on GEM? A. GEMBOT. B. GEMChat. C. GEMAI. D. Ask GEM. Answer C. GEMAI. What growth rate was projected by Morgan Stanley for India in FY26? A. 5.8%. B. 6.2%. C. 6.8%. D. 7.1%. Answer B. 6.2%. What platform is used to digitize food depots in India? A. Digipedia. B. Anamitra. C. Foodwatch. D. Anavision. Answer B. Anamitra. Who was appointed Chief Justice of Manipur at sea? A. Justice Gavai. B. Justice D. Krishna Kumar. C. Justice K. Somshekhar. D. Justice Lalit. Answer C. Justice K. Somshekhar. Who won the International Booker Prize 2025? A. Jhumpa Lahiri. B. Banu Mushtaq. C. Salman Rushdie. D. Arundhati Roy. Answer B. Banu Mushtaq. Who received the 58th Gyanpith Award in 2025? A. Ruskin Bond. B. Chetan Bhagat. C. Gulzar and Rambhadracharya. D. Arvind Adiga. Answer C. Gulzar and Rambhadracharya. Which team won the 2025 SAFF U19 Championship? A. Nepal. B. India. C. Sri Lanka. D. Bangladesh. Answer B. India. Who won the 2025 Italian Open in men's singles? A. Novak Djokovic. B. Rafael Nadal. C. Carlos Alcaraz. D. Jannik Sinner. Answer C. Carlos Alcaraz. Which football club won the UEFA Europa League 2025? A. Arsenal. B. Manchester United. C. Tottenham Hotspur. D. Sevilla. Answer C. Tottenham Hotspur. Joe Root broke the record for fastest to reach how many test runs? A. 12,000. B. 13,000. C. 10,000. D. 11,000. Answer B. 13,000. What substance led to Shivpal Singh's suspension? A. Steroids. B. EPO. C. Nandrolone. D. Unspecified banned substance. Answer D. Unspecified banned substance. Which Indian summit emphasized investment in the Northeast? A. NEConnect. B. Act East Expo. C. Rising Northeast Investors Summit. D. NE Vision 2047. Answer C. Rising Northeast Investors Summit. Who authored The Diary of a Cricketer's Wife? A. Pooja Pujara. B. Sakshi Dhoni. C. Hajel Keech. D. Ritika Sajde. Answer A. Pooja Pujara. What title did Geeta Samota achieve for the first time in CISF? A. First IPS from CISF. B. First female DGP. C. First officer to summit Everest. D. First marathon runner. Answer C. First officer to summit Everest. What was the occasion for issuing a stamp on Kodaikanal Solar Observatory? A. 150 years. B. 100 years. C. 125 years. D. 75 years. Answer C. 125 years. What theme dominated the 10th Niti Aayog Governing Council meeting? A. Make in India. B. Viksit Rajya for Viksit Bharat at 2047. C. Digital India. D. Swachh Bharat. Answer B. Viksit Rajya for Viksit Bharat at 2047. Which scheme focuses on adult education under the vision Jan Jan Sakshar? A. Samagra Shiksha. B. Ullas Nav Bharat Saksharta Karyakram. C. Sakshar Bharat. D. Vidya Prabodhini. Answer B. Ullas Nav Bharat Saksharta Karyakram. What was launched to improve transparency in India's PDS using IoT? A. DigiPDS portal. B. Smart Depot. C. Anna Sahayata. D. Food care system. Answer C. Anna Sahayata. The OCI portal revamp benefits approximately how many individuals? A. 3 million. B. 5 million. C. 7 million. D. 10 million. Answer B. 5 million. The 22,864 crore rupees highway project connects Shillong to which city? A. Guwahati. B. Silchar. C. Aswal. D. Kohima. Answer B. Silchar. Which mission is being aligned with NAP for climate change action? A. Swachh Bharat. B. Mission Life. C. Smart Cities Mission. D. Solar City Program. Answer B. Mission Life. What is India's civil services training platform that crossed 1 crore users? A. MyGovLearn. B. Nishtha. C. iGOT Karmayogi. D. Yojana Path. Answer C. iGOT Karmayogi. Which summit is scheduled in Hyderabad in January 2026 for aviation? A. India Air Forum. B. Sky India Expo. C. Wings India 2026. D. Aero Conclave. Answer C. Wings India 2026. What wildlife conservation project was launched with a 2,900 crore rupees outlay? A. Project Elephant. B. Project Gir. C. Project Lion. D. Project Panthera. Answer C. Project Lion. What system did India promote for marine conservation with TEDS? A. Operation Varuna. B. Operation Coral. C. Operation Olivia. D. Operation Tortoise. Answer C. Operation Olivia. The book Original Sin exposes leadership concerns about which US president? A. Donald Trump. B. Barack Obama. C. Joe Biden. D. George Bush. Answer C. Joe Biden. Who was appointed Director of the Marine Products Export Development Authority, MPDA? A. Rajiv Kumar. B. Ram Mohan M.K. C. Suresh Reddy. D. Umesh Adhikari. Answer B. Ram Mohan M.K. Which Indian green NBFC received an excellent rating from DPE? A. REC Limited. B. SERB. C. IREDA. D. PFC. Answer C. IREDA. Which organization launched the Payments Regulatory Board, PRB? A. NPCI. B. SEBI. C. Niti Aayog. D. RBI. Answer D. RBI. What was the performance of India's core sector growth in April 2025? A. 2.5%. B. 1.1%. C. 0.5%. D. 3.8%. Answer C. 0.5%. Which Indian shooter won gold in the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025? A. Manu Bhaker. B. Kanak Budhwar. C. Saurabh Chaudhary. D. Divyansh Pamwar. Answer B. Kanak Budhwar.